In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a prototype in Adobe XD, ensuring that your designs and interactions are accessible to those who need to see them. First, let's make sure you have the file open that contains the prototype you want to share. This will include all your artboards and interactions. Once you have that open, you'll notice at the top of your Adobe XD interface there are several options. You'll want to switch over to the Share tab. If you're not already there, simply look at the top menu and click on Share. This is where you'll manage how your prototype is distributed. Now that you're in the Share panel, you'll see various settings related to how you can control the viewing experience of your prototype. Under View Setting, you have several options to tailor how your recipients will interact with your work. Perhaps you want them to use it for a design review, in which case they'll be able to leave comments and feedback. Maybe it's meant for presentation, where they can view the sequence of your design in action. If it's for user testing, it provides testers with specific interactions to evaluate. And for development purposes, they can inspect the design specs and assets. Choosing the right setting ensures that your audience is able to use the prototype in the way that best suits their needs. Next, you'll see the link access options. This is where you determine who can actually view your prototype. If you select anyone with the link, it will allow public access, meaning anyone with the link can view the prototype. If you want to keep things more private, you can select only invited people and specify their email addresses individually. This adds a layer of security and exclusivity to your sharing. Alternatively, if you wish for a bit more control but still offer broad access, choose anyone with a password. This requires them to have both the link and a password, providing a balance between security and accessibility. Once you've set your preferences, you're ready to go ahead and create the link. You'll see an option that either says Create Link or Publish Link. Click on this button, and Adobe XD will begin uploading your file to the Creative Cloud. This process will generate a web link that's easy to share. It might take a few moments, especially if your file is large, but once it's complete, the link will be ready. Finally, all you need to do is copy that link and share it with your stakeholders, clients, or team members. Whether you're sending it out in an email or embedding it in a presentation, the link will give them the access they need. And there you have it. Your prototype is now shareable, paving the way for collaboration and feedback. Stay tuned for more tutorials like these for mastering Adobe XD.